Hello guys and welcome to another beautiful DIY. Okay, so today we'll be making this wolf scones, and then I cut out this 10-inch cycle and a 6-inch cycle. Okay, so for the 6-inch we are going to just peel this upper layer. Yes, so just carefully removing that. So guys, if you're new here, thank you. I really appreciate. If you're my return subscriber, thank you guys. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you for the love, constant love. I really appreciate it. So please, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment for me in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Okay, so let's continue. So after I was done peeling that out, and then I'll be okay. I wanted to use a white paint, but I mine got finished, so I'm just going to use this silver. Yeah, and I love the effect afterwards, so I'm just going to use it to paint that. Okay, so for the 6 inch, what I want, the effect I want it to have is, I would want, when you look at it, the inside you see it should be black, and then the outer part should be silver. So let me just do it so that you see what I mean. So instead of just painting it, I'm just putting the black paint inside, in between those lines. Yes, so that it won't touch the upper part. Yeah, then I'll just turn it down and then let it just drip down, let it just come down. So just patiently hold this, and it will just all it will all just come down on its own. Okay, so after I was done, that is it. So I'm going to use this, yes, this silver place I use. I'm just going to just clean the upper part, and it's just going to give it that silver, yeah, silver effect. This, why you're saying it's going to be silver, but deep inside is black. Okay, I hope you understand. Yeah. Okay, so just make sure to clean it very well. Make sure all those silver is really showing. Okay, so after I was done, I'm going to be cutting out two of these 6 inches, and then I'm going to be cutting three of this one. Yes, that's what we'll be needing for this DIY. Okay, so I spray painted those ones. I did the same thing for them, and then let's continue. So I'm just using my um heavy duty tape and stapler to just staple it, because my glue gun, it was not really much, and then I just needed to finish the video so I can just edit and post. Okay, so this is it. I'm just going to do the same thing for the back also, so it will hold firmly. Okay, so don't worry about that. When I'm done, it's actually going to be firm. So then I'm just going to use my beads, these beads I had, and I'm just going to cut that out and then go around it with it. So just put your glue gun your and then just place them all around it. So because I wouldn't want to be cutting it, so that's why I'm just doing it like this, and then I'll go all over with it to meet this point to the point where I started. Yeah. Okay, so I'm actually done with that. So I'm going to be bringing the 6 inch. Okay, so at this point my glue gun was almost finished, so I just needed to use that to help me bring them out. I'm just going to put them. Okay, so when I buy, I'm going to just add up to that again. But for now, let me just finish the DIY so you guys will see how it is. And then I'm putting that straight. Yes. I'm doing the same thing also for this place. Okay, guys, so if you're still here, I really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and let me know what you think about this DIY. Please, I really, really appreciate that. Leave a heart for me, please, in the comment section. Okay, so I'm just going to be placing this mirror here. Yes, so if you're still here, guys, I really appreciate you. Thank you, thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a heart for me in the comment section. And then I'm just going to be using this black. I've used it in my previous videos, so I'm just going to use it to go around the mirror. And then because you know I told you my glue gun got finished, so I won't be showing you, but I will show you the final result. Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.